Hey guys, so let's just jump straight into this month's faves and fails. Okay, so first of all, I know you recognize this makeup look. This was done by Nikki Tutorials and I really wanted to recreate it. I didn't recreate it for YouTube, but I did recreate it for TikTok. So I will leave my account information down below. I might recreate it for YouTube. Let me know what you think. I might do it, might not. Just let me know what you think. And if there's enough of you who want me to do a tutorial on it, I will do it. Anyway, so in no particular order, the first item on my faves list is the Juvias Warrior 2 palette. Oh, when I first got this, well, when I first saw this palette, I was just kind of like, not that, you know, taken aback by it. It just looks like a natural, neutral kind of palette, something that we have loads of. But when I got it, it just completely blew me out of the water, especially this shade here, Walzana. It's like a grayish kind of color and I love it for creating smoky looks. With black, I tend to find that it can go a little bit too far too quickly, but with this gray, I just kind of feel like I can create a smoky look. It doesn't go crazy. I'm able to control it. It's amazing. This was their first matte or all matte palette. And I feel like they've stepped up their formula with their mattes, because a lot of the time their mattes are kind of hit or miss. Might be good, might not be good, but with this, the majority of them were really, really good. Next is my MAC eyebrow pencil in stud. You can see all of the writing has kind of started to rub off. It is what it is. I've been using this non-stop every single day and it has kind of replaced my L'Oreal brow pencil. This one is a better color for my hair, like it matches my hair color a lot better than my L'Oreal one. And I feel that because this is such a precise pencil, like it's just so small, it's so tiny, I'm able to just create those really fine, precise lines. I don't have to worry about sharpening it. I do dread having to replace it because I know that this was expensive. It was bought for me, if I remember correctly, when it was my birthday. So I know I'm gonna have to repurchase it, but I'm just not looking forward to having to. Next is the Colourpop Chasing Rainbows palette. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. I've done a couple of tutorials with this. I think one of them is up at the moment. I'm not too sure if both of them are up, but I know one of them is up with the review. Absolutely love the way that these shades blend together. I feel like Colourpop shadows just tend to blend together so beautifully. The only thing that I would say is that with the shimmer shades that I did use, it was this one, Blurred Lines, and this one here, Lucid. When I first put it on the lid, it's so bright, it's so bold, it's so beautiful, but by the time I finish my complete look, it's not as shiny. I feel like some of it tends to like fall off just a little bit, so it's not as bright and as bold as when I first put it on. But that's not really like the biggest problem in the whole entire world. I just adore the way that they blend together. I just love the way they blend together. It's just gorgeous, and I just feel like the quality of Colourpop's eyeshadows is really, really good. I feel like they're underrated. They need to take Morphe's place. I've said this 1,000,001 times and I'm going to continue to say it until they take their place. Now my maybe, because I don't have a fail, is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette. I absolutely adore the color selection. I don't feel like it's very lemonade-like. I don't think there's enough yellow, and I also think that I don't feel like they needed two pinks, simply because this one here, Pink Lemonade, is like a cross between peach and strawberry, because it's a pink with a gold kind of reflect. So why do you need to have strawberry, peach and pink lemonade when they're just literally different variations of one another? Also, I found that I had to dig really hard into the pans to get the shimmers to come off. The mattes do blend well together. I do need to take a little bit more time and effort to blend them out, but overall they do blend together all right. The pigment is there. I just don't feel like it's a lemonade palette. It's more like summer drinks rather than lemonade. I don't understand why the brands that are coming out with lemonade palettes are not getting the lemonade right. It's just not getting it right. Anyway, so those were my faves and fails, but I didn't have a fail, I had a maybe for the month of November. Tell me what your faves and fails were. Do you have any of these products? What did you think of them? And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.